Welcome to View's low-voltage training videos. The overarching goal is to illustrate some key highlights for installing View's product line. You must become familiar with shipping labels, product item numbers, packing slips, interconnect drawings in its entirety, and the bill of materials, which is located on the interconnect drawings. Chapter 13. Installing a cell modem. The cell modem provides remote network connectivity to the View system. A remote connection is required as part of an overall system to allow View network operations to monitor system performance. The cellular modem assembly is intended only as a temporary remote connectivity solution. Installation of a permanent remote connection solution is recommended for best performance. Here is the material provided by View. Before you mount the cell modem enclosure, remove 4 screws to take off the cover. Let's run power to the cell modem enclosure. Mount the enclosure using 2 screws to secure the enclosure to the wall. Complete the installation by reinstalling the cover to the enclosure. Using the Cat5 patch cable, connect the cell modem to the correct Ethernet port on the top of the View control panel. Do not power up the cell modem. The View FSC will apply power upon site arrival. Here is a look at the finished product. Thank you for watching View's low-voltage training video. Be sure to always reference the most current View interconnect drawings, installation guides, and datasheets. For questions or additional information, email lowvoltagetraining@view.com or contact your View project manager.